is for apple bear, munching with delight. B is for balloon bear, soaring to great height. C is for cookie bear, with a tasty treat. D is for dancing bear, moving to the beat. E is for explorer bear, on a grand quest. F is for fishing bear, doing what he does best. G is for gardening bear, planting with care. H is for honey bear, sweet and rare. I is for ice cream bear, with a chili cone. J is for juggling bear, never alone. K is for kite bear, flying high in the sky. L is for lazy bear, watching clouds pass by. M is for music bear, playing a tune. N is for nap bear, under the moon. O is for ocean bear, swimming so free. P is for picnic bear, under a tree. Q is for quiet bear, reading a book. R is for rain bear, with a puddle to look. S is for sleepy bear, in a cozy den. T is for train bear, traveling again. U is for umbrella bear, in the rain so mild. V is for vacation bear, having fun and wild. W is for waterfall bear, standing tall and proud. X is for xylophone bear, playing music loud. Y is for yoga bear, stretching with ease. Z is for zigzag bear, running through the trees. From A to Z, each bear has a role. Learning is fun, let's read.